Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today we want to share some cute little Christmas tree gnomes with you using the Dollar Tree Christmas trees. Before we get into that, I wanted to share a very quick DIY using this jar that I grabbed yesterday or 2 days ago at the Dollar Tree. You can use it on a vase. I have seen people take candles from the Dollar Tree, melt the wax, pour it into a bigger jar, and using these window clings, which is such a great idea, put them over the jar and light them up, and they're just beautiful, very easy, very cheap, inexpensive decoration. Which one should we use? The Joy?
No, yeah. I want to do all the trees.
Oh, yeah.
Like when you were upstairs, I was so tempted to put all these.
You could put these trees on
like
snowflakes. The rim or the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to use very easy.
Okay.
Take this off. If you want it to stick permanently, you can always use Mod Podge to put over it so that it will completely stay. But it's so... And look, just like that. Very pretty,
really
easy decoration. And if you want, you can put a little snowflake here. A little snowflake there.
Can you take them off?
Yeah, you don't even have to Mod Podge. It's only Mod Podge if you want it to stay. But you're right. You could
be like seasonal.
You could reuse as well if it's a snowflake.
Oh.
But if it's a jar or a vase that you're using and you put the candle wax in, you're right. You can make it seasonal. So we'll do just another. I don't think I need all that
Just one
because
more.
there's already a snowflake in the thing. So you can put that back.
Okay.
It's done.
And it's done. That was what, a minute?
Not even.
Very easy.
And it was $2.
Yep, $2. $1 for the
$2
jar,
to
$1
make
for the
that.
window cleans.
We didn't even use all the window clings.
Yeah, I know.
Bananas.
We're totally gonna put. We have a window in the kitchen. It's a sunroom that we moved into we changed it into a bedroom. So we have a nice window that we can put some. I would probably put those on because it'd be really pretty that we can sit and eat and have decorations in the window. So without further ado, I grabbed us a Christmas tree. I grabbed a hat, and I am using these. And the stuffing I got from Walmart. A big bag is only $7, maybe if that. And you can use it for many different things. And we have old pair of stockings, but I'm sure you can find stockings at the Dollar Tree also to make the gnome.
The nose.
Not the gnome, to make the nose
Oh, I did
of
cut these.
the gnome. So here we go.
Oh,
Alright.
I remember that.
Okay, so while we've been working, I'm letting the girls know to try to have all of the greenery in the front. And the hats are a little big, so I'm going to glue them together. I'm going to glue over here.
Am I doing it right, Mom?
And then I'm going to...
I think I did it perfectly.
Did I do it, Megan?
Yeah.
And I have a little elf hat.
Just gonna have to fold this. I don't have my hot glue plugged in at the moment. We should probably do that.
Oh my.
So the only bad thing of these trees is that they're not very full. All right, so for Santa, I'm gonna take that and I'm just going to Can I have the clothespin?
I could find.
Did you glue it?
Go on.
No.
Go on.
Come on, Beauty. Okay, so here, this is what it looks like when
You glued it?
yeah, and now it's going to dry. So now we're going to make the noses with the stockings and the stuffing. If you wanted to make this tree fuller, I know that they have just these like branches alone. I don't know what they're called. I don't know if it's garland or what it is, but I've seen them in the boxes and they're just strands of like the tree branches.
Or you could just buy another one of these trees and
That's
like
what I was thinking.
stick them in.
Yes, I
Or
was
cut
also
them,
thinking
yeah.
that too. So for your stocking, if you have a foot, it's easier to do that. So, nice and easy to make a nose. You're going to take the stuffing and stuff it right into the stocking.
That's a big nose.
And going to try this up. Okay, here's a cute little nose.
A big fat nose.
So,
Well, this
But
glue
it's
is like
gonna-
spooking out. Hey, it looks much better.
It does? That's
So
a
we're
huge nose.
that's okay. That's what the gnomes are. They're known for their big old noses. I wish I plugged in the hot glue gun, but I didn't. So
We're using Gorilla Glue.
we're just gonna use Gorilla Glue and. Okay, so here is one little guy.
We had to cut this arm a
Take
little
this
short.
off. Take that off.
My nose is falling out.
Look how cute.
Let me see.
You need to put some glue on yours. Yeah, you have glue on your fingers.
So there you go.
It's fun to get glue on your finger.
You little gnome.
That's a Christmas tree.
Oh, there's that guy.
That's a Christmas
It
tree.
is a Christmas tree.
It's a Christmas tree.
Me.
You can. Okay. Okay.
Why are you making a little tiny gnome that has a Christmas tree with a tiny little gnome?
Mom, can you add stuffing in my arms? In the arms?
Oh, you probably could.
Little.
Okay, so we have finished our little gnomies.
They're so
We used the stockings for the arms as well.
I had that really
So
idea.
here's
I need
Emma's.
for the big reveal.
And
Oh, it's like, ooh, it's out of balance. There we go. Ta-da!
my arm.
Oh, I gotta take off the pins. Let me see.
So we used the stockings for the arms as well and used hot glue. So there's Emma's. She's got the little Elfie. Ooh, bless you.
Thank
And
you.
then I got the little what'd you call him?
Lumberjack?
Oh, lumberjack. Here's my lumberjack gnome.
I got
And-
Santa.
And
I got that.
Megan has a little Santa. And
His hands look a little weird.
it is, but they look really cute. So very simple.
Mine looks fun.
Under $10.
Under
and-
$3. It's like $3 or... Yeah, this hand looked weird. It's like $3. for
Yeah, because it's
something
1, 2.
cute-ish.
Yeah, it's very cute. Mine's going up behind me, so
I'm probably gonna put this.
that's it. Oh, there you go. We made a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. That's what cracking's all about. So jingle, jingle, jingle. All right, so there you have it. Thank you so much for joining us again. Please be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and share. And
Yeah.
yeah.
See you on the next vlog.
Comment down below which gnome was your favorite, and also comment down below if you guys made any.
Yes, if you've made any using Christmas tree or garland or anything, I'd love to hear about it. So that's it. Thank you so much again for joining, and be safe, and I will see you next time. I don't know when they'll be on again, but yeah. Okay.
Catch you later. Bye, guys.
Peace.